wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. We are the dreamers, come along, you'll see. Wake up and dream again. Get up, sing with me, my friend. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Dream again! Woo! I just thought that if I said it after you, maybe it'd be really exciting, like an echo. Like, oh, let's try it again. So you say the welcome back to Dream Again part, okay? You go. Yeah, try it. Please. Come on.
Dream again.
Dream again, dream again, dream again.
Are you okay?
Yeah. Wait, do I look sick? Do it.
Yeah.
Oh no, I hope I'm not getting sick.
Did you swallow a furball?
No, I feel fine. I don't know. Are you feeling sick?
I'm not feeling sick at all, but you're a little bit like...
Really? I feel like I'm very often much more animated than this. This is relatively calm. Oh well. Hi kids!
Hi, kids!
From A to Z.
Now, why are we doing that again?
I don't know. You didn't like how it started before, so I figured I would just restart the day so that I could do better in your eyes.
1, 2, 3. Hi, kids! From A to Z.
From east to west.
I'm Noah.
And I'm Olivia.
Welcome back to Dream Again!
Dream again, dream again, dream again. And the crowd goes wild. Who are they cheering for? Who are they cheering for? No one knows. Oh, but from the back of the crowd, a distant roar comes up. Mom, 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 Mom! Right? Kids, Noah looks a little confused, but I bet you guys know why I was doing that. Do you know why I was doing that?
It's Mother's Day soon, and are you sure you're okay?
Yeah.
Maybe you should need to rest before we do this.
I think I'm very rested.
Yeah, but you're like...
Wow. You know what? Okay, Noah. You take it from here. I'll just color. Go ahead.
Well, kids, today we thought we were going to teach you how to make a Mother's Day card. And we actually already started a little bit. I already cut out a pink heart.
Ooh.
Because Mom likes pink, just like Olivia. And then in the inside, I am going to put a lot of different hearts.
Oh.
And then string them together as if they're like a balloon heart.
Oh, cute.
And then I'm going to write something inside that is going to be meaningful and wonderful and special and heartful and something to express my love to my mom.
Very nice. Very nice. So for mine, hold on.
Well, what happened to your enthusiasm?
You didn't like it, so I'm toning it down. I'm being calm now.
Oh,
so
be crazy.
For mine, I am doing a nice little flower. Yep, see? Told you you'd like my enthusiasm, didn't I?
Yeah.
This is my nice little flower.
This is definitely boring.
Are you ready to be more excited about Mother's Day now?
Yay!
Mother's
Day! And we're super
Yay!
excited because Mom is a special person. That's why we're going to do something really, really special.
Yeah, and everybody out there should celebrate their mom. So I made a flower on a green card because it's like springtime.
Yeah.
And it's a flower. And then inside...
Yeah, what do you have inside?
Inside I put a potted plant that says Mom with some tulips.
Whoa.
Yeah.
That looks beautiful.
Yeah, thank you. And then I'm gonna write I don't know, a message or maybe
How
a
did
poem.
you do that?
I printed it.
I thought you did it with construction paper. See, I did mine with construction paper.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh. Oh, no. I should have done mine with construction paper. Maybe I did it with construction paper.
I cut out a bunch of hearts. You showed me how to do that. And
that
then
looks lovely.
I just glued them all together, and I made it look like the strings are all together as if it's like a balloon.
Ooh, that's a beautiful bunch of balloons.
Right?
Yeah, I
Okay,
hope Mom
and now-
likes it.
Yeah, I hope so too.
Yeah.
Well, do we have anything specially planned for Mom?
Ooh, yeah, I am. We don't have to, but
Are
I
we
was.
gonna go and watch a movie?
Ooh, that would be fun too.
Or maybe we can play golf. She loves playing golf.
Does she?
Yeah, she does.
Oh, yeah, good. That's very nice. We could do those things. I was also thinking it might be
Or
fun.
maybe she wants to go roller coaster ride.
Ooh, I think the roller coaster ride might be more for us.
Yeah,
Yeah.
that could be true. Maybe she wants to go to an arcade.
Maybe. Or she could go roller skating.
Yeah, but I don't think she likes that either.
Oh, I don't know.
Maybe that's more for you.
Yeah. Or we could go.
What does Mom like to do? She likes to clean up.
I don't know if she likes that. I think
She
just,
likes cooking. She does it all the time.
Yeah, but I think that's more just something she does because we need food.
Oh.
Oh.
Then if she has to do that all the time,
Yeah.
we'll do it for her.
Yeah. So we'll do it. We'll do it on Mother's Day. We'll clean everything and we'll make food. Oh.
No. I have a better idea.
Yeah?
We'll do it the whole weekend.
Yes, the whole weekend.
Starting on Friday evening.
Yeah.
And she can basically sit down on the couch, lay her feet up, and we will make dinner.
Yeah.
We'll make breakfast. We'll make
Yeah.
lunch. We'll make
Yeah.
dinner. We'll do whatever she
breakfast.
wants to do. And we'll
Yeah.
vacuum, and we'll clean our rooms, and we'll wash our clothes.
Yeah. And I think we should do one of the meals as a picnic. So she gets to sit
Great idea.
outside and she can
On
have
Mother's
some
Day.
sun and she can read or
Yeah.
whatever
We should
she wants
that.
to do.
Oh, yeah, that's a good point.
Yeah?
Okay,
That sounds lovely.
We'll write all of that up, but let's just
Yeah.
quickly finish our Mother's Day
Oh, yeah,
cards. And kids, are you going to have something planned for your mom?
Ooh, I hope so. I hope you do something fun or something nice. Like I think I'm gonna put all my dirty clothes in the hamper.
Yeah.
They're definitely not in the hamper right now.
Okay, and I'm going to clean up my room.
Oh yeah. And put away all the toys and
Yeah.
oh yeah.
All of
All
the
that
toys
stuff.
in our family room too,
Absolutely.
right?
Yeah, all the toys everywhere. Oh, and put the books back in the bookshelf.
Yeah.
She'll be so surprised.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay, so why don't we finish the card and
Okay.
start doing that, okay?
I think that sounds like a great idea. Okay.
Can I have one of the pens over there?
Oh, yeah, of course.
Here, I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, I'll just use the black one.
Okay.
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 Hi, kids.
Hi, kids.
Did you guys finish your Mother's Day cards?
Yeah, did you?
Yeah.
We just finished ours.
Mhm.
And
Do
we
you-
wanted to show it to you so in case you're having trouble, you might have some ideas from us.
Oh, yeah, that'd be wonderful.
Right?
Do you want to show yours first?
No, you show yours first.
Okay, I'll show mine first. So on the front is a flower.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, and then it says Happy Mother's Day.
That's really nice.
Thank you. And then inside I did tulips.
Wow.
And I wrote, Dear Mom, I love you. You are the best mom. Love,
Wow.
Olivia.
That's really nice.
Thank you.
That looks really, really beautiful.
Thank you. I hope she likes it.
Okay, do you want to see mine?
Yeah, I want to see yours.
Okay, so this one's for Mom. I did this on the front.
Ooh, that's very, very nice. She's going to like that. That's
You think
very
so?
pretty. Oh,
It's-
yeah, for sure.
It's very simple, but
But she likes that. She likes hearts.
yeah.
Mhm.
And then in the inside, I wrote,
Ooh.
Dear Mom, you are the best.
Best.
Love, Noah.
Aw.
And then on the other side, I printed out a bunch of hearts.
Ooh. Mm-hmm.
And then I used a pen to make them look like it's one huge balloon.
Ooh, yeah, like a giant heart balloon bouquet.
Yeah.
That's beautiful.
Do you like that?
Yeah, it's wonderful. And inside all the hearts, you wrote Happy Mother's Day.
Oh, yeah, I did that
Oh
too.
yeah, that's very nice. Very nice. I like it.
And
Good
then I
work,
wrote
Noah.
down Love, Noah.
Aw, she's gonna love that.
I hope so.
I think so for sure.
Okay.
All right. Well, if you kids made Mother's Day cards, you could send us pictures of them
Yeah.
or tell us what you guys did for Mother's Day. Anything like that. It'd be really, really fun.
Exactly. We'd love to see it.
Yeah, for sure. I love seeing different Mother's Day cards.
Yeah, me too.
Any kinds of cards.
Yep.
Yep.
Okay, so should we start cleaning up and getting ready for all of the other things?
Yeah, we have a lot to do.
Yeah, we do. It'll be a busy weekend for us.
It will be.
But
All right.
it won't be a busy weekend for Mom.
Nope, she's going to have one lazy weekend.
Yep, that's good. Okay, kids, thanks for watching Dream Again.
Yeah, thank you guys.
We wish you a happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. We'll see you guys next time.
To all the moms out there, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day.
Bye.
Bye. Thanks you to all the mothers.
Yeah, thanks to all the mothers.
Yeah, okay.
For everything that you do.
Mm-hmm.
You're
all
the best.
The time. Yep, you are. All right.
Bye.
Bye.
Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Olivia believes in dreams. Noah lives his dreams. They are the dreamers and they love to dream. Wake up and dream again. Wake up and dream again. Our dreams are the world we live in. We create the dreams we believe in. We are the dreamers and we love to dream.
Hi there. If you like what you see on Dream Again, please make sure to hit the subscribe button, like us, and comment down below. Thanks!